In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sports events like football, soccer, NHL, and NBA competitions to your Google Calendar on your mobile device. This will help you keep track of your favorite sports events and never miss a game. Let's dive right into it. First, we begin by opening Google Calendar on your mobile device. You'll want to ensure you're signed in to the correct account where you want these events added. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool, not only for keeping your schedule organized, but also for integrating event-based information like sports schedules. With the app open, focus your attention on the bottom right corner, where you will see a small plus sign or the word Other Calendars, depending on your version. Tapping on the plus sign opens up a menu with different options. Here, you'll need to select Browse Calendars of Interest. This option is a gateway to a variety of preset calendars that Google offers, ranging from holidays to, yes, our focus today, sports. This feature is amazingly handy with its predefined options that save you the hassle of manually inputting each event. As you tap on Browse Calendars of Interest, a new menu unfolds. You will need to scroll down through this list to locate the sports section. Here in the sports section, you will notice a drop-down arrow next to it, inviting you to explore a multitude of sports that you can add to your calendar. Go ahead and tap on that drop-down arrow to unveil the very sports schedules we're after. Next, you'll be greeted with a comprehensive list of different sports categories. You can choose from leagues and sports from around the world, including options such as football, soccer, the NHL, and the NBA. Each sports category is listed neatly, ready for you to tap on your choice and add it to your calendar. Be mindful that each time you add a sports calendar, your Google Calendar app will start syncing events related to the league or competition you have chosen. Finally, by selecting a particular league or team, you're telling Google Calendar that you want to incorporate these events directly into your schedule. As confirmed, the events will automatically populate without any extra effort on your part. This streamlined process not only saves time but keeps your calendar updated effortlessly, ensuring you're always in the loop for that important game. And there you have it, a simple way to keep track of all your favorite sporting events using Google Calendar. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find your calendar a little more exciting with all those sports events added seamlessly.